Advances in aviation technology led more and more people to travel by air, resulting in the growth of the airline industry. As the market grew, so did the number of airlines. With price, punctuality, and standard of products and services as the top determining factors influencing people in choosing an airline, the competition turned into a price war. With the entry of new players, airline companies had to find ways to differentiate themselves in order to attract new customers and at the same time, keep existing customers. For this reason, studies were conducted to find out other factors besides price consumers consider not only in choosing an airline but also in reflying. In the research study published in 2011 by the World Academy of Science, Engineering and Technology, results show that in-flight meals or food not only contributes to airline passengers' level of satisfaction, but also influences their reflying intention. Consequently, according to the study, taste, freshness, appearance of in-flight meals, and the variety of menu choices are most important to airline passengers, especially for long-haul flights. As a result, in-flight meals and food services have now become part of marketing strategies of airlines in attracting travelers. Further boosting this strategy are surveys from different business and leisure travel blogs, naming the top 10 in-flight meals and world's best airplane food. What is most interesting, however, is that 5 of these top 10 best airlines, known for their exceptional food, all prefer the same catering provider. MacroAsia Catering Services Incorporated. Since it started operations in 1998, as Manila's first fully functional in-flight catering facility at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport Complex, MacroAsia Catering Services continues to be the leading and most preferred airline catering service in the Philippines. A partnership of MacroAsia Corporation, the Philippines' leading provider of aviation and logistics services, and Singapore Airport Terminal Services, one of the key players in aviation services in the Asia-Pacific region. MacroAsia Catering Services cater to airline market. Clearly a testament to being the most preferred caterer of airline companies in the Philippines. A full-service, one-stop shop, MacroAsia Catering Services offers a complete package of in-flight catering service, from receiving and storing to preparing, washing, cutting and slicing, meat processing, cooking, blast chilling, dishing out, portioning, tray setting, to final assembly, and loading, all the way to aircraft delivery. MacroAsia Catering Services ensures proper dissemination, receipt, and dispatch of all catering needs of its customers. With its vast 5,200 square meter kitchen, housing the most advanced culinary equipment, MacroAsia Catering Services easily produces an average of 10,000 meals a day, with enough storage capacity to secure dry, chilled, and frozen goods to make certain fresh meal production at all times. Furthermore, its state-of-the-art information technology systems effectively calculates the production requirements, from the time of receipt of raw materials up to the delivery of finished product to the aircraft. True to its mission of elevating in-flight catering in the Philippines to world-class quality standards, MacroAsia Catering Services has earned the distinction of being the country's first airline caterer to have ISO certifications for Quality Management System 9001. With food safety being the backbone of its business, MacroAsia Catering Services has put in place a strict food safety management system based on Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, or HACCP standards, to make sure all its products and services are guaranteed safe and hygienic, thereby distinguishing MacroAsia Catering Services as the only HACCP certified in-flight catering service in the Philippines. Moreover, this ardent adherence to food safety standards has exceeded all the strict requirements of local and international food and health authorities. Sensitive to various religious inclinations and dietary requirements of the customers of its clients, the company established a special halal food processing system to ensure compliance production standards. In so doing, the National Commission on Muslim Filipinos gave recognition to MacroAsia Catering Services for being the first and only halal-certified airline caterer in the country, thus strengthening its stronghold of the Middle Eastern airlines and giving proof to its reputation of being the best when it comes to handling halal meals. All these significant milestones and the notable achievement of its vision to be the market leader and best airline caterer became the catalyst for MacroAsia Catering Services to diversify and expand its business to include institutional accounts, such as hotels, casinos, and airport lounges, offering customers a taste of its sumptuous meals, light snacks, and drinks in world-class amenities. To date, MacroAsia Catering Services has become not only the most preferred catering service of airlines, but also of private firms, food and beverage outlets, hotels, casinos, and restaurants. Proof of its commitment to provide safe, quality food and services are the array of prestigious awards and accolades bestowed by its esteemed clients, ranging from Best in Hygiene Award, Excellence in Catering Award, Best in Service Quality, as well as several special citations. In addition, MacroAsia Catering Services also won several culinary competitions. Recognizing the fact that its strength lies in its people, MacroAsia Catering Services strives to build a community with a strong bond between individuals brought about by their shared work values of pagmamalasakit, genuine concern, passion, integrity, and unity in diversity. That is why, as part of its corporate social responsibility, MacroAsia Catering Services conducts community-based activities and livelihood projects, including apprenticeships with different government institutions, and offering on-the-job training to college students training at MacroAsia Catering Services, as well as giving chance to anyone and everyone who may want to be a part of the organization of MacroAsia Catering Services.
We are committed to establish and maintain a business culture that is built on trust and confidence, values its people, its resources, and the environment.
We produce and deliver meals under strict HACCP conditions for optimal safety and reliability.
We operate in accordance to ISO requirements as we continually review and improve our quality systems to ensure continued growth and development.
We provide meals and related services in accordance to customer specification and expectations.
We exude professional bearing in dealing with all business partners, internal and external customers at all levels.
With its international chefs and team of highly motivated kitchen staff and personnel, MacroAsia Catering Services continues to upgrade its capabilities and superior standards to constantly give its clients worry-free operations and world-class service. Its devotion to perfection and attention to detail goes into every packed meal, every food preparation, as MacroAsia treats each customer of every client quite simply its guest. MacroAsia Catering Services, most preferred and most trusted catering and services provider in the Philippines.